ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024. New Zealand team final squad. Number 1, Kane Williamson. Number 2, Finn Allen. Number 3, Trent Boult. Number 4, Mitchell Bracewell. Number 5, Mark Chapman. Number 6, Devon Conway. Number 7, Ricky Ferguson. Number 8, Matt Henry. Number 9, Daryl Mitchell. Number 10, Jimmy Neesham. Number 11, Glenn Phillips. Number 12, Sachin Ravindra. Number 13, Mitchell Santner. Number 14, Ish Sodhi. Number 15, Tim Southee.